Hi, I'm Charlene with Disty, and in this segment we will go over the Replic8 Previewer. If you recall from our previous segment, we went over how to take a 3D Studio Max file and export it using the Disty Replic8 Equipment Exporter. We will take that same file and load it in the Previewer to view its content. Let's take a look. Let's load the Replic8 Equipment Previewer, and we will be prompted to load an equipment file. Let's load lamp.r8e. Here we have our splash screen, and if you notice, we have two modes for viewing content. We have the exploration mode and the animation preview mode. Let's take a look at our exploration mode. Here we have our scene, and before I go any further, let me go over how to move about the scene with mouse controls. With a right click and a hold, you can orbit. Holding down on the scroll wheel allows us to pan right or left, up or down in a more linear fashion, and using the scroll wheel gives us the ability to zoom in or zoom out. Now if you notice to the left of our screen, we have our parts list, which has all of our parts, including our textures and materials that we exported from 3D Studio Max. In exploration mode, all parts are interactive. We can select a part and drag it away. You will know a part is selected by its highlight. If you want to zoom in on a part, simply select that part and go up to the toolbar and click the magnifying glass button. It will bring the camera in up close to get a detailed view. If you want to see the same part or any other parts without any parts within the scene, go back up to the toolbar and select Display Only Selected Parts. And this will give you an isolated view of that one part. If you want all your other parts back within the same scene, return to the toolbar and select Display All Parts. So bring your parts back. Now, if you want your parts to return to their default position, go to the toolbar and select Reassemble All Parts button. This will bring back all your parts. Now that we've gotten a feel for the exploration mode, let's check out animation preview mode. Return to our splash screen. Click on animation preview mode. In animation preview mode, we have the same mouse controls, the same parts list to the left. But the purpose of the animation preview mode is to check out our animated toggles. So let's click on a part and watch its animation. And that's the animation preview mode. That was a basic overview of our Replic8 Previewer. Join us in our next segment as we go over the basics of the Replic8 editor.